everybody! Have you enjoyed my other video? Awesome! I'm making the Oreo cake. I hope you like it.
I love it.
Today we're gonna make another cake.
Nice!
Called Graham fruit cake.
Gotcha!
And open the bananas.
Excellent!
I love them all. For the cake, we need 4 ingredients. Some Graham crackers. I love this. Some cream. It's yummy. Some fruit cocktail. This is healthy. And some milk. This is sweet and yummy. That's all it. We need also a spatula, a mixing bowl. Mix. I'm gonna mix. Okay, let's start with this. And a serving dish. Oh, it's heavy. Let's be careful with this. We don't want it to be broken. But kids, you need to put on your apron.
Gotcha!
Here's my magic apron. I hope you have yours too.
Hey!
Now let's put the cream in the milky.
Nice!
Keep it up. Now the next one.
Okie dokie. Bravo!
Now we're gonna mix it.
Excellent!
Before we do anything else, we have to wash our hands
Okie dokie Loki.
with soap.
Gotcha!
Now let's do it.
Awesome!
Okay, now let's put it. Keep it up. Okay, now let's put the fruit. Which one do I have to start with? This little carrot. Hey, this one. I'm saying this. Where am I gonna put this? Over here.
Nice! I love it! That's so cool!
Pieces. And again the fruit.
Gotcha!
This jelly. Get the what jelly?
Lovely!
Now it's time for the final layer.
Excellent! Awesome!
Now let's put the crushed Graham crackers.
Okie dokie!
Now let's put more fruits in here.
Gotcha!
And they're healthy and good for your body.
Excellent!
And now a little nose. Now it's almost done, but I want to put 10 more. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm done! Yay! There we go, guys. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Now let's chill it at the fridge.
Okie dokie, Loki.
We're waiting for the cake. We have to open the bananas.
Hey!
Let's peel. It's yummy. That's it. I opened the bananas. Just kidding. Let's be serious.
Gotcha!
And open the banana surprise. Okay, and look at the back. You can collect all of these. There's monkeys. There's cactuses. Okay, so let's open. Okay. Let's peel. Soft. Okay. Put it right over here. Then peel. Peel. Wow! Let's see so many things. Here's one. Ooh, one little one that I need. This last one. It's a long one. Okay, so let's put it here. Now let's open. First, this one. And open. Wow, it's cute. And here's the sticker. Wow. Let's test it out if it's squishy.
I love it.
Wow, it's squishy. Let's try from here.
Keep it up.
Now this one. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, I know. We will put it back together later. Here. Final thing. The little cutie. What is this? Oh, what is this? Interesting thing. I don't know. We'll just put it here. Oh, a little sticker.
Lovely.
So many stickers. Put it right here. And, oh, this is so cute. Is this a cupcake?
Excellent.
With a ladybug face? It's silly.
Keep it up. Awesome.
Okay, now let's remove this one. Remove this first. And how we're gonna peel. Okay, we got it out.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is all cute. And one. And another surprise.
Nice.
And another one. Okay, let's come see this little bigger thing. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
A monkey, I hope I Look, here's the sticker. Look down. Here it is. Rarity wants this little pet.
I love it.
Put it here. Okay, let's open this one from the top. Now let's see the color. Oh, it's pink, my favorite color.
Nice.
Okay, here's the package. And the last one.
Awesome.
Go shorty, go shorty. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. What is this? What is this? Oh, so this is like a taco.
Lovely.
And these little stickers.
Gotcha.
We're excited to see it. Oh, I thought we don't have more. I forgot to put it here. And this, what is this? There's something. Oh. This one. Oh. A strawberry. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna just find out. I'll get it later.
Okie dokie.
Last one, guys. Oh, I got her. Wait. Hey, open. Got it. My Little Pony cast. It's someone named My Little Pony cast. It's for Twilight. For Twilight. I mean, it's for Twilight. Because she's a doctor. She loves to be a doctor. Oh, test this out. Go, shorty. It's your birthday.
Hey.
Long one. This one. All the capsule that we have. Now, open this one. Now, let's see the color. Orange. Something like this one. Or not.
Keep it up.
Let's see the accessories. Is it the same or not? I think we got triplets. Quadruplets. Oh, it's not. An apple and cupcake.
Lovely.
Goes here. And your sticker. Now the last one. Here. Oh, that was so many cracks. Oh. Go. Woo. Quadruplets. 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 Quadruplets or quadruplets? Does anybody know? No. Okay, that's all. Now I'm hungry. Wow, look at them, guys. They look so good.
Amazing.
They look good.
I love it.
Except for the triplets. Okay. Now I'm hungry. Maybe the cake is done. Yes, I can finally eat it. Now it's time to fill up the tummy.
Excellent.
Look at this cake. It looks so yummy.
I love it. Awesome.
But kids need to ask help from your parents
Okie dokie.
so that you can cut the cake.
Gotcha.
Thank you, Mommy, for cutting the cake.
Bravo.
Now it's time for the taste test. There it goes. It's yummy.
I love it. Nice. That's it, guys.
I hope you like my video.
I love it.
And please don't forget to subscribe on my channel.
Gotcha.